outside, and oh my god, the breeze is so beautiful, and I am tempted to go on a walk with you guys so you guys can experience the peace that comes with everything. Listen to that. So beautiful. Oh, look at how tall this thing is. This is what happens when you decide to reach your full potential. If you can look at this aloe vera tree, there are so many short trees here. These are the short aloe vera trees that are around here. But this one was like, I'm going to reach my full potential no matter what. Look at this. This is what happens when you decide to reach your full potential, guys. Say nature feels like God is talking to me. That, hey, listen, girl, I can take you places that no one has ever been in. I can take you to those places. Stop trying to be like everybody else. Look at everybody else. Look at everybody else. Everybody else is here, but I can take you there. I can take you there. Look at this. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Everybody else is deciding, this is where we're gonna be. This is the tall that I can be, but I can take you up. That's what happens when God, that one is taller than this one. I love nature. Feels like God is just talking to me.